How to fix unable to send links or photos on WhatsApp. If you cannot send links, photos, or videos on WhatsApp, then here's how to fix it. First, launch open WhatsApp. Now, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. From here, select Settings. Now, find the option Privacy. Here find the option App Lock, select that. Now if you have enabled App Lock, then what you want to do is simply toggle this option off. There's a current bug in WhatsApp where App Lock prevents links and media from being sent if it's enabled inside the app. Now check if your issue is fixed. If not, then you completely want to close the WhatsApp. Then open up your app switcher and swipe WhatsApp off of your screen. Now launch WhatsApp and check if your error is fixed. You also want to make sure that you're using the latest version of WhatsApp. For that, launch open Play Store or App Store and search WhatsApp Messenger. If you find the update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.